All right. Hey, guys.
Hey.
So I'm Ari.
And I'm Rudy.
And today we're going to be talking about simple harmonic motion in real life and a mathematical approach.
Okay, and so with our research, we found out that harmonic motion is the repetitive rise and fall of energy in a certain period of time. Okay, so a mathematical approach. The two simplest ways of mathematical approach is using sine and cosine, which you can see right here. This is the basic functions and the equation, of a sine and cosine graph. And the first part is amplitude.
Amplitude. So amplitude is how high the wave goes.
The distance from the equilibrium of the crest and the trough. So that's A. That's the first part. And the next part is B.
B helps find the period. And to find the period, you're using B. Like use an equation, which is 2 pi over B.
Over B. And that's the time. That's the period of time. And the next part is C.
C affects the phase shift. And the equation for phase shift is C over B.
And phase shift is also known as horizontal shift. So it shifts your graph left and right. And an example is that cosine is just and sine, the only difference is a phase shift. So that's what makes them different. And the last part is
D, which is the vertical shift.
So the vertical shift, it raises or lowers your equilibrium, which also affects your amplitude. So it makes your graph look different a little bit. And an example we provided is this problem. So we have y equals 2 sine x plus 2. So we know that our a is 2 and our b is 1. So that means our period is going to be 2 pi because 2 pi over 1 is 2 pi. And then our c, we have no c in this case, so we don't have to worry about phase shift. And our d is 2. So as you can see from the graph, the equilibrium was risen by 2. Our amplitude is 2, since the points are 2. The first point is 0, and the next point is 2 up, and the next point is equilibrium, and then the following point is 2 down. And as you see, the time is 2 pi, so we split it into 4, and there's 5 points, as you can see. And yeah, this is our example of a sine graph.
In math. But simple harmonic motion doesn't only happen in math. It also happens in the real world. So some examples are the sun rays. Sun gives off waves, and that's an example of simple harmonic motion.
And there's also radio waves, sound waves, tidal waves,
springs,
and earthquakes are another one.
Yeah, earthquakes.
And in this case, for our sunlight project, we also found out that sunlight, it's an example because there's energy and it comes on, and you feel the different types of energy by heat.
Yeah, that's how you know that those waves are hitting you, because you get hot.
And the different types of waves are the different amounts of heat. So yeah, that's our video, and thank you for watching. Bye.